welcome to the GSM workshop again. New project in the shop. This is a 1966 Mustang coming for some restoration. A lot of work actually. Putting new door skins on, new rear quarter panels, inner arches, rear tail light panel. Owner has already started some work on this against my advice. Let's see what he's done already. And again, quarter panel, rear quarter panel, and we have a door skin. It's going to come on. So follow this for the restoration progress. I've also got a shut line problem here as well. You can probably see it's wider at top than it is down here. It's really tight down here. So we're going to push the wing over. There's a little bit of welding in here as well. So it's in the workshop. The other good news is I now have a mid-rise lift, which the car is on, which I can now make my work a lot easier for doing servicing on cars and restoration jobs like this. This is just another part of the GSM workshop saga. This will be a nice one to do. But yeah, follow me for progress on this very nice Mustang restoration job we're going to be doing here. The engine has already been done. I'll take a picture of the engine and I'll post it on it along with the video. Okay, that's all for now. Just a short video. Follow, subscribe to see the progress. Thank you. Bye now.